Good morning Year 5 and welcome back. This is day 2 of our week of triangles. Here are the answers to yesterday's questions for you to have a little look at. There is a still coming if you want to have a look a bit closer. Okay, so today we're going to move on to looking specifically at triangles. So I've cut a few triangles out. You could do that if you want to, you don't have to. I have purposely colour-coded mine because I want to talk to you about the types of triangle. So there are 3 types of triangle. There is a 4th label that we use, but it's not a separate type of triangle on its own, so we'll talk about that at the end. The first type of triangle is this one, these green ones. These are all equilateral triangles, okay? They're called equilateral triangles because they have 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles, okay? So they're like a regular shape and they're called equilateral triangles. Okay, so here's some more examples you can see, and we use this to show that those sides are equal. So those are equilaterals. Put those there. Okay, next one are called isosceles triangles, and these are the red ones. So isosceles triangles don't all necessarily look the same, so those ones all look the same or similar. These are similar, this one looks a little bit different. Might help if I put it like that, you'll be able to see how they're the same. An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and therefore 2 equal angles. So you can see here the equal sides are marked with the line like that. So 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. We'll come back to that particular one in just a minute. And the last one is called a scalene triangle. Now scalene triangles, you've probably worked it out by now, are triangles that have 3 different sides and 3 different angles. So none of their sides or angles are the same, and there can be all different types of scalene triangle. There's just a few examples there. No lines because there's no sides that are the same, and there are no angles that are equal either. Now I'm just going to take this scalene triangle and this isosceles triangle to show you that both of these might be what we call right-angled triangles. You wouldn't have a right-angled triangle that wasn't also scalene or isosceles, but they've got a right angle in them, but they are also scalene and an isosceles. So you might use that term right-angled, shown with a square there, the right angle. You might have an isosceles, or you might have a scalene right-angled triangle. Okay, so next on the video you'll see Miss Coxhead showing you a special way she has to remember the different types of triangle. It might help you to remember in that way as well.
Hi Year 5, so I'm just going to show you 3 ways that I like to remember the triangles. The first one is the equilateral triangle that begins with an E. So I like to make an E with my fingers, and as you can see here there's 1, 2, 3 fingers up. So that reminds me that there is 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. So equilateral. The second triangle is the isosceles. So I take my fingers and I point to my eyes. Okay, I've got 2 eyes. So isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. And the third and final one is scalene. Okay, so I make an S with my hand and I say no equal sides and no equal angles. So equilateral, 3 equal sides, 3 equal angles. Isosceles, 2 equal sides, 2 equal angles. And scalene, no equal sides and no equal angles.
Okay, your task for today is going to be identifying different types of triangle, and there's a little investigation in there as well. So have a little go at that and come back tomorrow for the answers.